Hey everybody, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where we spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. In this video, I am going to unbox the most recent Sew Sampler Quilting Box. Yeah. I love these little happy mailbox things. It's like a holiday. I love it. It's amazing. And I love Fat Quarter Shop. So let's see what is inside. Just my type! Hey, just my type. That probably has something to do with the theme of what's inside. So this is the Sew Sampler, Just My Type, October 2018. And there's a code, there's a promo code, but someone all like said in my last video, are you sure you want to be showing those promo codes to people who don't have the box? So, if you were clever enough in the past, good for you. You saved some money. And you are directed to Fat Quarter Shop, so yay! So this is super duper awesome. And then what is this? Just My Type, Sew Sampler October. This is where it goes over what's inside of it. X Blocks Basics template for 2.5 inch strips. I've been getting into 2.5 inch strips. It seems to be like a ubiquitous width of strips that are out there, so I've been playing with it more. It's the standard jelly roll size, but I don't mess with jelly rolls for the most part, but it's a fun size overall to like play with in quilting. I get it. Okay, there's a label set. What's on the back? Members only. Oh, there's some more cups. Okay, let's just get into this. So what is this? Perfect 10 book and ruler by It's Sew Emma. I love all of the It's Sew Emma stuff. What is this? This is the label set. I'm going to move this box out of the way. What is this? A Quilt 3R label set. Ooh, look. No, that's actually kind of jazzy. Like, it's pretty cool. It says maker on the back. I'm really digging. There's 2 designs here. Okay, this is something different. I really appreciate that it's something different. Oh, they don't even all say the same thing. Quilter, maker, sewist, crafty. Like that is super duper fun. Okay, I always forget about labels until it's too late, but these are definitely cool. I'm excited to have these. And it is a jelly roll. Speaking of jelly rolls, it's from Moda. Don't know what kind it is. If you want to see more on the fabric, you'll have to go to Fat Quarter Shop, because I like to focus on the notions in these videos just to do something different. Ready to use pleated quilt sleeve. Quilter's hang up. Oh, this is cool. This is super duper cool. Like whenever you do stuff in shows or if you want to put something on the wall, like you have to make a sleeve. And this, like, see, let me do it here. See, like this goes on the back and then you can hang it on a pole, like if you've never had a quilt on a show. And this is one that's already done. Okay, yeah, because I don't show the same quilt twice for the most part if I have it in a show. So I could just like take this off and then like, ooh, and look. Rainbow goodness, inclusion, y'all, inclusion, folks. So yay, this is super fun. And then, what is this? So this is the X Blocks Basics for your 2.5 inch strips. Oh, what is this? Tell me more, tell me more. And instructions. Grab a jelly roll or your favorite pre-cuts. It's so basics. It's so fun. Cactus Queen quilt. Oh. Okay, so it's kind of like you can do stuff askew, and you like peel this off, of course, so that you can see underneath it. Do stuff askew. It's just a different way to see the angles of the fabric whenever you're putting them together. That's kind of neat. I really think that's neato mosquito. And then ellipsis quilt pattern. Okay, and you need this for that. I really like how they do that. They kind of put projects and notions that go together. So this ellipsis quilt pattern, which is kind of neato. Like if you're looking for a simple quilt pattern, it looks kind of neato. And this goes with it. And then this will show you. So you can do like all of this. I really like that you do this. Okay, there's some more piecing instructions. So it's all about this. And there are some different things you can do. This is the barn block. But I might give this one a go with this tool, with some of my Aura, of course. Since I just got it, it should be destroyed right now. But this is what came with it. I'm really digging on this box. So, Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. This Sew Sampler box is pretty, like, amazing. October 2018. So if you enjoyed this video, learned something, saw something neat, like got turned on to this Sew Sampler box, then make sure to give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.